Hey guys, it's Angel. I'm going to be showing you guys my first time using these ORS Curls Unleashed products. This is the leave-in condish. It smells so amazing. Like, it has this fruity tropical island smell. I love it. The texture is awesome, just like a regular conditioner. As soon as I applied it into my hair, I could see my curls start to form and get so moisturized. This stuff is awesome. I am in love with it. This is like the first leave-in conditioner that I've used that is actually a leave-in conditioner, because before I was using just a regular conditioner, using it as a leave-in. But oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing, and I was so happy with how I instantly seen, my curls get so moist and start to, curl on their own. So yeah, this stuff is great. Okay, now I'm using the curl boosting jelly. This stuff also smells amazing. It has a cute blue purple jelly color. Also, again, when I applied this into my hair, I noticed a big difference again as well. This stuff made my hair feel so light. I feel like you can see my hair start to get some volume as soon as I start crunching this into my hair. So that's amazing. Okay, now I'm using the curl defining cream. Unfortunately, in the store they didn't have the big one, so I got this, but I'll make it work. This is like a creamy paste. It was pretty heavy. As soon as I put it on my hair, kind of weighed my hair down, but it does say on there that it's to help prevent shrinkage, so that may be why. And it didn't smell as good as the other two, but I still like the results that I got from it. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a little finger curling on some of my hairs. I'm not gonna do my whole head because I feel like that would take forever. Yes, look at those curls. Girl, I am loving it so far. Like, I can't wait to show you guys how it looks dry. And this is the final result. Oh my gosh, guys, I love my hair. I love it. I love it. My hair feels so light, and it feels like I don't have any products in it. Like, I just love the way my hair feels. It's so moisturized compared to other products I've used. I will definitely be buying this again. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at a momtrepreneur's guide, as well as follow me on Twitter at @ooitsangel. Thanks for joining me, guys. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, I also put it in Heaven's hair. Doesn't it look so cute? Okay, bye, guys.